Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. This is our final day on our project in Lawson, Missouri. We were finally able to arrange for concrete to get out here to encase our piers under the footing. But right here, this is our first of 5 King Pier 2s we've been installing, and this one just so happens to be right next to a failed pier. One thing we always like pointing out on our King Pier methodology, we do not break off a piece of your footing. As you can see on this pier that has failed, they have broken off a substantial section of the footing to anchor in their pier, and ultimately it's failed. That's why we're out here. But you can see with our system, it's very simple. We excavate below the footing just enough to get our load-bearing steel plate and our King Pier and our 2 bottle jacks snug underneath the footing, and then we just keep raising it until we get it back to its correct level elevation. But there is no damage to the footing that is done. We don't break any of the concrete off. We just get underneath it to raise it back to level. And as you can see, in doing that, we have fully repaired the door right here. There is, opens and closes perfectly. Then moving around the rest of the house here, we have 2 more, 2 and 3 right here. And then the final 2 piers, these were little extras we added on after speaking with the homeowners. We didn't look at the room addition here originally, but when we came out here to start the project, we got a good look at it, and we got it raised back up to level with 2 more piers, one here, and then the final one right here, and we got the door looking good. So yeah, everything is moving right along. It's a very simple system, folks. We excavate underneath what's sinking, get our load-bearing plate, our King Pier right here. That is our King Pier. The bottle jacks create a space between the big load-bearing plate, the bottom of the pier, and that's what these steel shims are used for. We shim that gap until the pier is locked into place. We pull the bottle jacks out of the hole, and final step is high strength concrete being poured and fully encasing those piers in the hole underneath the footing. In this case, this little frost footing slab here. So really nice job out here in Lawson. Everything is to the customer's liking. Yeah, just a great job. And again, you can really see the difference between what we do and what other foundation companies do. It is their system is flawed. If it worked, we wouldn't be here. We don't damage the footing. We do everything engineering sound. So for all your foundation piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone. Again, 816-288-4373. Visit us on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. It's a great way to educate yourself on proper foundation repair. And you can see step by step the King Pier methodology at work. And yeah, if you're dealing with any kind of foundation repair issues, that is the best place to see what kind of issues you may be dealing with and the proper way to repair those problems again and repair them engineering sound. So thank you very much.